From 4 pesewas to millions. Yes, I mean 4 pesewas to millions. Hi, and welcome to Trade with Raymond. My videos are strictly for educational purposes only, but maybe it makes you laugh. Then for you in particular, it's for entertainment purposes. Hi there. Anyway, we have sad news here. Unfortunately, the world of investment has lost a big mind, a smart man, an intelligent man, a mentor to many, Mr. Charlie Munger. He died at 99, was a partner to Mr. Warren Buffett all his life, and may his soul rest in peace. But he had a quote. The quote reads, "We calculate too much and we think too little." And this quote is very important when you're talking about some shares. And I'm talking about shares on the Ghana Stock Exchange in particular. And I'm talking about penny share or a small cap share in an alternative market. These are companies that are not large in terms of their size, their capital, and so on. And this, for me, this week, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be buying Intravenous Fusion PLC. It's a Ghanaian company. It is responsible for producing all IV fluids. They are the biggest manufacturer, supplier, producer of IV fluids in Ghana. And this is how the story goes. This company was set up in the early 1970s. However, they have had their struggles. But during the COVID period, they featured very competently by producing IV fluids and many other fluids needed in the sector for treatment of patients. We saw their revenue and their profit growing. I mean, from to be specific, their share prices as at 2020, when COVID hit in Ghana, their share price was 3 pesewas, and the share price grew to 5 pesewas in 2021. In 2023, as at now, their share price is 4 pesewas. What is interesting here is that if you buy 100 shares, it will be equivalent to only 4 cedi. And 4 cedi cannot even buy you a pack of chewing gum. But yet you can invest that in a share. And the beauty about this share is that an uptick by just 1 point, you make 25% of it. That's what I'm looking at. An uptick and I make 25% and I'm out of the market. You see, it's interesting because if you look at the bigger picture, we don't know when the next pandemic is hitting. We do not have any ideas yet. And also, you realize that there's a lot of technology in the health sector coming up. Health institutions are being set up here and there. Demand for nurses all over the world. In Ghana, similarly, we have private individuals going into the health sector and setting up hospitals, clinics, small healthcare units here and there. We have the government of Ghana that's also aggressive, looking at expanding the health sector. It means that there's business for this organization. In 2021, their profit grew by 10%, which is good. In 2022, their revenue increased by 9.6, let's say also 10%. The organization last year in 2022 has been expanding and considering other African markets. So there's hope here. There's a lot of business going to happen with this penny share. So we see the company is expanding. So as Mr. Charlie Munger said, we calculate too much and we think too little. We calculate too much and we think too little. This is time for thinking. Global picture. Healthcare is becoming so important. Small micro picture of Ghana. Expansion in private healthcare, expansion in government healthcare, and this is potential increase in revenue, potential increase in share prices, which is going to happen very soon. So for me, this week, I'm going to be focusing my attention on intravenous infusion. I'm going to be buying them from my broker, SAS. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I say it's for educational purposes. I mean, you take your own risks, but this is what I'm going to be doing. And if you like the information, I'm going to put in the write-up down there some links. You can read more, get some more information, educate yourself better. Because on the Ghana Stock Exchange, like I said the last time with MTN, there's money to be made if you can select the right share. And with intravenous infusion, there's real money to be made. One uptick I'm up 25% and I'm out of the market. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for asking questions. And we'll come your way again and to bring you more information so that you can be educated and you can be informed. Thanks and bye-bye.